Wow, what a lovely day. It's the perfect day for adventuring. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellie, and today I'm putting on my adventuring hat, and I'm grabbing my compass, and I'm going to explore for a new place to build my house. And here I am. This looks like a pretty nice place to build a new house. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, let me put away my compass and grab my building kit to build a new house, and let me put on my building hat now. Okay, so today I am building a dead body Among Us house, so let me grab some light blue concrete, red stained glass, light blue stained glass, a pressure plate, and an iron door. These are going to be the main items that we are going to use to build the outside. Okay, let's start by placing some concrete like this in kind of a 3x4 rectangle with one block missing, and let's do the same on the other side and fill in the block right there. Okay, so now let's extend it by 2 more blocks. So this is going to be the feet of the whole Among Us dead body, so let's just put 2 more blocks right there, so it will be 3 blocks high. And yeah, and let's fill in this top area of the foot right here. Okay, and let's place the blocks as shown in the video, kind of overlapping the feet a little bit. And place a block right there and a block right there and fill it in like so. Okay, so now that we have the kind of foot area, let's get started on the more central body. So make 3 block high walls in kind of this format right here, which is 7 blocks long, like that. And yeah. Now we are going to start right here and do what is shown in the video and kind of make another row diagonal from the row we just made. And let's do that, and we will do the same for the other side. This is kind of going to be the oxygen tank of the dead body. So let's go ahead and make another row like this, and after we finish making this row, we will do the same on the other side. Okay, so now we are on the other side, and we are going to do the exact same thing that we did on the other side of the dead body. And now we are going to make another row actually. So let's go ahead and make another row. This is going to be the last row that we are going to need, and we are going to do the same on the other side like that, and follow what is shown in the video and place those 2 blocks like so. Now you are going to kind of put those 2 blocks right there and fill it in with light blue stained glass. This will let in some light into the house. Now this is kind of going to be a balcony area, so let's delete those 2 blocks there like so. And now we are going to go down here and put a piece of concrete there and a piece of concrete there. Okay, so now let's go back outside. Okay, so now that we are outside, let's take a look at the balcony, and okay, that looks pretty nice. But right now, let's add in 2 pieces of light blue stained glass right there and right there. Okay, we are almost done with the outside of our build. Now just follow what is shown in the video, kind of make an outlining of the little ridges around over here, and just do this. So yeah. So you're basically making an outline of all of the ridges of the rest of the body. Now let's do this. And you want to go ahead and grab your red stained glass and fill in this hole right here. This is also going to be a very big window inside of the house to let more light in. And you are going to want to grab some bone blocks. Okay, so now we are going to basically make the bone. So extend the bone area like this so that it is about 4 to 5 blocks long. It depends on what you want to do, but this is how I did this. And now I accidentally placed that block, and let's go ahead and delete that block I accidentally placed earlier. And now you want to fill it in a little bit like this, and kind of fill in 2 blocks right there of concrete. And now you want to make 2 holes like this and fill in the floor with blue concrete. Okay, so now that we have done that, let's place the doors. Put an iron door and the pressure plate on both sides so we can go in and out through the iron door. So now we're going to start in the interior. Let me get out my interior design kit. Okay. Now let me go ahead and grab all of the contents inside of the interior design kit. I will be telling you what they are as we go through the video. Okay, so now let's get started on our interior. Let's just start by going inside. Okay, I forgot to put some light blue concrete inside the interior design kit, so let me just grab it from the building kit, and let's go back into the house and grab the light blue concrete and just fill in the flooring with light blue concrete as shown. So you just want to do that. This is going to be the flooring, and now we are going to make a small hole like this. As shown, you are going to find out why later. Okay, so let me just place 2 more blocks of light blue concrete like this, and we are done with the flooring of the house. And now I am going to do some more stuff to the inside of the house. So grab some glowstone right here and just place it in whatever pattern you want. This is to light up the house, and we are going to put carpeting on top of it so that it can light up the house, and it also works as carpeting. So that is very nice. You want to grab a lantern and go outside and just make a little hole in the leg and place the lantern like that. Now let's get started on the kind of the biggest room in the whole area. It's basically going to be a bedroom, kitchen, and living room combined. So do what I am showing in the video. Grab a banner, 2 banners like that and like that. These are going to be the pillows of a bed, and get staircases and just put down a bed, 2 beds like that, and now you have a very nice looking little bed. And you just want to grab a dark oak trapdoor. I forgot to include this in the interior designing kit, but just place it like that, and you want to grab some smooth quartz stairs and put it kind of like a countertop, and just add a little bit of light blue concrete right there. I'm sorry, I meant to grab a smooth quartz slab and just make a ceiling like this. There's actually going to be a 2nd floor, and now you want to delete those 2 trapdoors and make a little kind of pillar with light blue concrete. This is how you will be getting to the 2nd floor. Now just fill in the 2nd floor flooring with more smooth quartz slabs like this. Okay, let's just continue filling in all the smooth quartz slabs like so. And it looks like I forgot the hole to get back down, so let me put that back there and add some ladders. And there we have our way to get to the top floor. And now let's build our kitchen area. So put some smooth quartz in kind of a counter shape and just break some slabs up there and make a hole right there. And now we are going to add some glass panes like that, so that we can see the whole area from the second floor, and put a campfire and a smoker on top to look like an oven or a stove, and put some stairs like that on top of the oven stove thing. And now we are going to put some lanterns and a flower pot next to the bed for decoration. And next you want to go ahead and grab some chains and an armor stand and some glass panes. And you also want to get to your light blue concrete and make kind of a separate room or a little closet kind of space. And you just want to place some chains down like that and some armor stands. And you want to grab some diamond armor and just equip it all onto the armor stands. And now you want to get your glass panes again and just cover up this whole area. Now you have your kind of an armor stand closet. Okay, now you want to grab your glowstone and some more carpeting again to make it a little bit more brighter, and to put some more carpeting. And there we have it. Now we are moving on to the second floor. Now you want to make a storage space up here, so just put some barrels in the gaps. And now you can put some flower pots and some flowers in it like that. My favorite flowers are pink tulips and blue orchids, so I put that. And there we have it, our finished Dead Body Among Us house. And I personally think this looks amazing. So we can go in through the legs like this, and we have a fully lit room that is totally amazing. And we have our armor stand closet and a kitchen and an awesome looking bed with banners as pillows. And on the second floor we have a storage area with a bunch of barrels, and we can look down into the kitchen. And also we have our balcony where we could just look at of the house and enjoy the view. And we also have those flowers out there. So there we have our Among Us Dead. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button and like button for more awesome videos. Anyways, bye, and I hope to see you in my next video.